Good afternoon, my beautiful girlies, and let's hop right in to this makeup get ready with me. All right, y'all. So for today's topic of discussion, if I was competing on a cooking show, what would I make? So for this discussion, it is pretty effing easy because though I sometimes cook, and I mean sometimes, I have two pretty good meals that I would cook on a cooking show if I was on one. So the first course that I would make if I was competing on a cooking show would have to be rice and beans with a side of ribs. So especially in my family, rice and beans is very, very popular. We all love it super duper much, and it is just so good. It is a Congolese food that we, eat, and just having it with a side of any meat at all, whether if it's like ribs or chicken or fish or heck even, steak or any variations of that at all, is just such a good side to have with rice and beans, because rice and beans by itself, it's enough, but you would rather have something on the side to balance the meal out, you know what I'm saying? Also, this meal would not take a long time to cook. I know that there are some meals out there that take a while, and I mean a while to cook. There are like some gourmet meals that take like literally 2 hours to make, but if we kind of think about it, rice takes usually about maybe 10-15 minutes. I'm gonna say around 10 to 15 minutes to cook, maybe even 20. And the beans that I usually cook take around, I want to say like 45 minutes to 50 minutes, so it's like close to an hour. And the ribs it depends on the method, but if you were cooking it in an oven, it would probably take a couple of hours. But if you were grilling it, it would become a lot more faster because you're grilling it and you're not, waiting for it to bake. So in total, that would be actually less amount of time than some of the gourmet meals that maybe others would choose. And that would be my version of a gourmet meal because, yeah. Though it doesn't take a very, very long time to, prepare the meal and all that, still you're having, an appetizer or an entree on the side. So yeah, y'all, rice and beans with a side of ribs or with a side of really any meat in general would be the first meal that I would cook on if I was competing on a cooking show. Okay, so the last meal that I would cook if I was competing on a cooking show would have to be just a chicken sandwich with some French fries. There's literally nothing wrong with this basic meal. Literally with this meal, you can make a gourmet or 5-star chicken and sandwich with fries, or you can literally go to your local Chick-fil-A and get that exact same meal, or make it super duper basic. Like, there's just so many ways that you can make this meal, whether expensive or cheap. And in all honesty, it's just a meal that everybody would love, whether, no matter what social economic class you are from, whether if you're the poorest of the poor, the richest of the rich, or anywhere in between that spectrum. Literally, this meal can be for anyone. Literally. The reason why that I chose this meal is because it's just that meal to have that A, tastes really, really good, and B, it could just fill you up no matter what, you know what I mean? And it's literally that one comfort food that literally everyone goes to. Like, you cannot, and I mean cannot, go wrong with a chicken sandwich and with some fries. And it would be very, very interesting and kind of scary if you mess up a regular chicken sandwich with fries meal. Like, it would, I would be very, very concerned if someone messes that up. Like, it's just so insane. Also, I mean, hey, it's a food that everyone knows and that everyone would enjoy. So, you know, it's not like a, you know, out of this world meal. It's just a simple, basic meal that probably comforts everyone. So yeah, I would definitely say that a chicken sandwich with a side of French fries would be the last meal that I would prepare if I was competing on a cooking show. All right, y'all, so we are done with today's little makeup look. All we did was just some mascara. So, you know, did a little bit more than the last time than, you know, just putting on lash serum. But yeah, thank y'all so much for watching this video. I hope that you all enjoyed. I hope that you have an amazing Monday, an amazing week, and I will see all of y'all's beautiful faces next time. Bye, guys.